This is the page that appears when you click Next in the Create New Series page. This is where you'll begin to enter the basic information for the series that will be displayed on the inspiration page. These are the actions for this page. Service types. The number of boxes in the form here will correspond to the number you chose in the previous menu. This is where you can label each service, such as 9 a.m. traditional, 11 a.m. contemporary. Here I've used 9 a.m. sanctuary and 10:30 a.m. let's say we're calling our emerging service coffee house. If you're using one of the service types to actually create a Christian education series or a weekly study group related to the series, then you would label that accordingly. In the series details, you have the series synopsis. You're going to put in a brief 3 to 4 sentence synopsis of the main message of the series. The design app is limiting you to a certain number of characters in order to fit it in the space on the one-page inspiration page that it's creating. But it's good practice to learn to offer an enticing and concise description anyway. So I've put that in, and then there's a box for series scripture fragment. You'll enter your theme scripture fragment in this next box. So let's say for this Advent, my main scripture is quoting the angel, "Do not be afraid." And again, it's going to limit you on this as well because it's making this PDF that you can see what it might look like right there. All right, how many services per week? It may feel like you've already answered this question, but the design app is needing that number for a different purpose. So we would just go ahead and say 2 services per week. Now, standalone services, this gives you the ability to create special services that may be inside the time frame of the series, but not on a regularly scheduled time, say a Sunday. So for instance, in Advent Christmas, you may have 4 Advent services in your series, but you'll want to add maybe 3 standalone services for your 3 different Christmas Eve services. So let's say we have a family service and a communion service at like 8 o'clock and then a midnight service. So we'll put 3 in there. All right, now you choose your canvas style for your inspiration page. There are 3 different canvases. The first one has 3 images. The second one, see, has 4 images. And the third one has 5 images. So you just pick what format that you'd like to use. I'm going to do Canvas 2 because we have 4 Sundays and I want to put 4 images in there that correspond to my themes. And when you're done with that, you click